Happy evening. Today we are going to conduct a series of science experiments by our kids. Master Rutvik is here, Master Skanda is here, then Miss Shavya is here, Miss Maulya is here, and our very young and energetic Master Jattu Chotu is here. They are going to perform their science experiments. Everyone kindly be a part of this program. I now request our Master Rutvik to come forward to present his science experiment. Over to Rutvik.
Hi everyone, my name is Ritvik. Today I am showing a experiment. See, when we put lemon into the water, it will sink. When we put salt, it will float. Hi, see, it is floating. When I put the sugar, it will come up. When I will push, it will not go down. Lemon is float. When we add salt to lemon, it will float. When we put the lemon into pure water, it will not float. Why? Because water is low weight. When we put the salt, the salt give the salt give density for this. Thank you.
Thank you, Master Rutvik. You have done a wonderful job. Thank you very much. Now, the next. Thank you, Mr.
Bye.
Now, the next participant is Master Skanda. Please welcome Master Skanda.
Hello everyone. So today a new day and I'm starting to do about this new. I think you're wondering what may be this. So this is a volcano everybody knows. So now, we are gonna show about how it erupts. So here we have a small of baking soda, vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of arshina, and next filter paper, next the water. So now first the step starts with little of baking soda. Add the filter paper first over here. So that the baking soda is not wasted. Slowly add at least of 3 teaspoons. I think it's enough for it, but another teaspoon should be needed. So now we are done with our first step. So next we will open this arshina or food coloring. So this is how it looks. So we will pour it inside the water first. So if we put it inside, we will not get the perfect stability. We will mix it. So that it becomes pure red. So when the lava erupts, it looks as if it is looking same as lava. So we will pour it inside. So come up to. So now we are gonna start about vinegar here. So this is a vinegar. We pour it inside. Now it will become the time for the lava to erupt. So this is how it erupts. This is not same at everywhere, not in the real places. So this is how a lava erupts. So here, when the baking soda and the vinegar comes into interact, it forms a new gas called the carbon dioxide. So this carbon dioxide is pushed up. So here where there will be no space. So when vinegar is added, so carbon dioxide is produced. So here at that time, that carbon dioxide occupies the whole space of the bottle. So it's there inside. So here in that bottle, it will not have any space. That's why it fumes up or erupts up, so that it can occupy more space. Let's do it once again. Oh, this was super. So this was a volcanic eruption from Skanda. Thank you everyone for giving me this opportunity to show off how this volcano erupts. Thank you.
Thank you, Master Skanda. You have done a wonderful job. Congratulations. Thank you. Wow, see this volcano. Okay. Now, may I now call upon Miss Shravya for the second for her demonstration. Okay, please give her a big round of applause to Miss Shravya.
Hi everyone, I'm going to show you, my name is Shravya. I'm going to show you all some simple experiment, that is bubble inside a bubble. So to do a bubble inside a bubble, we need a cup of water, sugar, dish soaps and one straw and a tablespoon. Now I'll add 2 tablespoons of dish soap to the water. Now add 1 tablespoon of sugar into the water and mix it well. Now the sugar should be dissolved well. Mix it well till the sugar is dissolved. Now Rub your table with your the soap solution and rub your straw too, and dip the straw into the solution and blow.
ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಾಕೋ ಬಬಲ್ ಸಾಕು 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 ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾಡು.
See the bubble inside the bubble. So if we blow one bubble, keep the straw into the bubble and blow another one. The bubble inside a bubble will be there. Bubbles are formed because of water, reduced surface tension due to the soap. Hydrogen atoms is the water molecule are attracted to the oxygen atoms in another water molecules. They are lined together. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Shravya, for wonderful presentation. You have done a good job. Keep up your good work. Thank you, everyone. Welcome back, everyone, for the next session. Now, we have still more series of science experiments. It's really wonderful to see our kids are doing such a wonderful job here. May I now call upon our young and energetic, dynamic Miss Maulya to do her experiment demonstration. Over to Maulya.
Hi everyone, my name is Maulya. Hi everyone, my name is Maulya. Today I am showing an neutralization experiment. First we want a cup of water and turmeric powder and some detergent and lemon. First we want to put the water into turmeric powder and mix it. And the color is now yellow. See, the color is now red. Now we want to put some lemon.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು
Now See, the color is again orange.
It's yellow.
Yellow.
Turmeric powder.
So, the color changes to yellow again. First, we want to put turmeric powder and water. We should mix it and we should put detergent. It will be red because it is neutralization. So, turmeric is another natural inductor and cabbage juice. Acid base are two chemicals will be either base acid or base. So color turmeric is yellow color. Turmeric solution turns reddish or brown.
Thank you.
With base, turmeric does not change color with acid. Thank you.
Thank you, Molya. Done a wonderful job. Do such kind of more demonstration. Good job. Keep up your good work.
Chairman, stop.
Welcome again for this series of science experiments. Now you can see here we have your Master Chotu Jattu to do some science experiment. Really we are so blessed to have young and energetic scientist here. Now please welcome Master Chotu Jattu. Thank you, Master Jattu, for joining us in this series of experiment. Okay, please show your experiment. Over to Jattu.
Hi everyone, I am Mr. Tin. And
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳು.
hi everyone, I am Jatin.
ಹ್ಮ್.
I am expert.
ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಇವಾಗ?
ಒಂದು
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳು.
ಒಂದು ಇದು ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ ಇದು ಕಪ್ಪು
ಹೇಳು.
ಕಪ್ಪು ತಗೊಂಡು ವಾಟರ್ ಹಾಕೊಂತೀನಿ ಅದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಹಾಕೊಂತೀನಿ ಅರ್ಶಿನ ಪುಡಿ ಚೇಂಜ್
ಹಾಕು ಅರ್ಶಿನ ಪುಡಿ ಹಾಕು. ಮಿಕ್ಸ್. ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಹೇಳು.
ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಆಯ್ತು ವಾಟರ್ ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ವಾಟರ್
ಎದ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳು. ಹೇಳು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ವಾಟರ್ ಆಯಿತು.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಥರ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Come, Master Jattu, please stand on your podium. Please stand. Let every audience see. See, our Master Jattu has done a wonderful job. He is a very junior scientist. Good job, Jattu. Can I have all? May I have all the participants here? Please join us for the
ನಿಮ್ದು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ
photo session. Please stand here only, Master Jattu. Please, everyone stand here. Please stand with your all science materials. Please, Skanda, please join us. Yeah, please come here. Go there. Please go there. Yeah, this is our team of experiment. Please have a look. All our young energetic scientists. Young energetic scientists, please stand together, everyone. Yeah, say hi. Okay, everyone done a wonderful job. We are so happy. We can see here young and energetic scientists over here. Hey, everyone, congratulations for a wonderful job. Done a good job. Congratulations, Kanda. Congratulations, Moria. Congratulations, Chotu Master Scientist. Congratulations, Shravya. Yay! Wonderful job. Yay! Our master scientist is here. Yay! Thank you, everyone. Today, this is about
ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ವಾಟರ್ನ ಬೌಲಿಗೆ ಪೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್ ಪೌಡ್ರನ್ನ ಆ ವಾಟರ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಸೋಪ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಾಶನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್ ಪೌಡ್ರ್ ಇರತ್ತಲ್ಲ ವಾಟರು ಅದ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇಕ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್ ಪೌಡ್ರೆಲ್ಲ ಓಡೋಯ್ತು.